Welcome to another Using Chrome River at LCTCS video. This video on expense reports is about the expense types in the transportation category. We'll first take a look at the items in the expense category. Now remember, when you import your pre-approval, they're already going to be on your expense report. But just as a review, the transportation category is your airfare, your baggage fees, a change ticket fee, and an item called baggage tips, which may not be on the pre-approval because it's not one of the options. So, airfare, baggage fee, and a change ticket fee and tips. Alright, you would come over here, you would look to see if you have any of those. First of all, airfare. You'll see that there's a data entry validation. It was budgeted for $561.20. You want to edit this entry, and you put the date of when you paid your airfare. In this case, I'm going to put 7/22. The amount is $488. There was no cushion needed. All of this is the same. It was economy coach. It was Delta Airlines. It was paid directly by my agency. The allocation is fine. We do need to attach our receipt. If you're using CR Snap, you can go to your receipts gallery. However, I'm using the QA system, not the production system, so I'm going to upload the attachments from my desktop. So I find my airfare receipt, I attach it, I have checked who paid for it, I have the amount and the date. I go ahead and click Save. Now we're going to get a message. This is a warning message, not a fatal message. It's yellow, not red. And you need to explain why. You can say this was prepaid. Post the entry. And you'll see now that airfare has a paperclip indicating that there is an attachment, and it is green, showing that it's been validated and could now be processed when the whole document is submitted. You'll notice that we had reserved over $500, but we're only claiming repayment for $488, and none of it is being paid to the traveler. This is because we checked paid by college. Similarly, baggage fee, we need to go in and we need to edit this. Because our trip is from the 19th through the 23rd, I'm going to indicate payment on that. It's going to be $70 because it's round trip each way, one bag. It was paid by me. Now that's going to require two receipts because there was one for the outbound trip and one for the return trip. So you can claim two expenses of the same category on one. You just want to make sure that you have the receipt for each one. And when you're done, go ahead and save it. And you'll see that the paperclip is there for the receipts. It has been validated. And in this case, we're asking for a reimbursement of $70, and it comes to the traveler. Now, we do not have a baggage fee, we do not have a baggage tip entry here. What we could do is come in here and for air travel and put a baggage tip, and on the 19th We give them a $5 tip paid by the traveler. You don't have a real receipt. What you can do is make one indicating that it was a cash tip. Include that statement as an attachment. Go ahead and save that. You'll see at the bottom of this. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to view other videos on the Using Chrome River at LCTCS series.